guys below. You can let us know what you think of our dresses.
She love how I'm rocking it. Betty's all up on my rocket ship. And she call me Zaddy and she got a fatty and she's so provocative. I'm touring and rocking shit. Yeah, she love how I'm confident. Yeah, I'm dope with the shows and my shoes and my clothes and my glow.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Emma back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the best and worst trends for 2021. This is kind of like a mid-year review, and what's really cool is I've got you guys involved in this video. On my Instagram, which you can check out here, I asked you guys to send me in what you think are the best and worst trends for 2021, and we're talking everything from OnlyFans to overdone fillers, cancel culture, square toe heels, the bucket hats, the chain bags. You guys really came at me. It's gonna be super fun. I can't wait to get into this. If you like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on my weekly videos, hit that subscribe button below, come join, and let's get into the video. Bucket hats. Come on guys, bucket hats. You know I love the bucket hats. Prada have brought out their new sustainable nylon range. These bucket hats, the black ones, are super cute. You see so many celebrities wearing them, influencers, the fashion pack, splashed over our Instagram pages. They look so cute. Some people think they're fisherman's hats, mushroom picking hats. I've had all sorts of abuse, okay? I've been trolled, but I still love them. I have a Dior one in a burgundy, a blue one in Prada. I want a black one next. Ugly Prada boots. I did just get some. You can't say that. Let's actually think about it. These Prada boots, they were the it boot last year when they were up to the knee. Now they've made the ankle version. These aren't going anywhere. A chunky black boot you need in your wardrobe, and you're gonna get so much wear out of them. So, sorry, I disagree with that one. Overdone fillers, plastic surgery, fake faces with Botox. Now guys, if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I am an advocate of doing you. Do what you want, not listening to other people. There's many people one day and they'll be like, oh, you're too big, the next day you're too skinny. Like, everyone has different opinions. And I personally think when it comes to your face, your body, it should be only you that decides what you want to do. Now, I know girls who have done the lip fillers and they look beautiful. You don't notice. I have also had a bit of lip filler in from Dr. VB. I naturally had big lips, but I just wanted them a little bit more. But then there's obviously some people that get addicted and they do like overkill, and then they dissolve them and it can get bumpy. And there's a lot of girls that get excited, and also doctors too, and I had an experience myself, and luckily not on my lips, but I remember a doctor saying like I needed to have filler here in the jawline to get it more defined, and I was going in just for a bit of Botox, and before I know it I racked up like a huge bill. I didn't need filler here, like what the hell? Good doctor will say you do not need it, we're not gonna do this today. If a doctor's like, yeah, and this, and you know, that's when you should be like, hey, wait a second. Also, what you have to understand with fillers, and I've seen a few scary stories, is that they migrate, they don't stay in the same place. So if you have filler somewhere, it can end up elsewhere in the face where you don't want it, and then you'll get lumps, and you know, when light hits, there's some shadow and things like this. You do not want that. You have to be very careful and go to the right person that you really trust. Also, when you are young and you put fillers in, it actually makes you look older. And especially like cheek fillers, like too much, it just, but I think we all make mistakes and you can change it. Luckily with filler, you can dissolve it. I just think the more natural, the better. I love Botox, as long as it's not overdone. You can still have movement in your head, in your forehead. I think it's important, you know, but it does make you look more awake, and naturally, you know, as you get older, you get little lines here, and it's more like preventative Botox, because if you don't get the preventative Botox and you just let these lines build up, they get deeper and deeper, and it's harder along the line to actually remove them. You have OnlyFans? Sorry, I don't have OnlyFans. Is OnlyFans a trend? No. I think it's just gonna surge in popularity. We've already seen 2020, people lost jobs, they lost businesses. OnlyFans, people were making bank, they were making so much money, there was more influencers than ever joining. Great website for women and guys if they're open with their sexuality, they wanna get subscriptions, they wanna make money, then why not? Demetrius says, not sure what to leave behind, but please bring Irina back. I love your chemistry. Well, I missed that too, but stay tuned guys, there will be a video coming soon with Irina, and there's a lot we need to update you on. People were saying that square toe heels are a trend to leave behind. Now, I don't know if I agree with this one personally. We have seen across the runway from Bottega Veneta the square toe heels. Love them or hate them, they're staying. I do understand they're maybe not as sexy as the pointed toe, but they're cool, they're trendy. Jacquemus does them, Bottega, plenty of other brands. They're different, they're refreshing. And I recently got my lilac Bottega heels and they are square toe, but they're more like trendy rather than like super sexy. Tiny bags that hold nothing. Okay. I have one and it's a micro bag from Jacquemus and I think it's super cute. I got it from my girlfriend Della for my birthday and I personally think they're super cute. They are so impractical. It's more like an accessory. Think of it like a bracelet. It doesn't do much, it doesn't hold anything, but it looks good and it finishes the look. I think people go for more like the mini, not the micro. I think the micro is probably gonna fade out. Big sneakers. I think the big sneakers are fading out. They had their heyday 2019. And then 2020 we saw a little bit of it, but really they are fading out. Balenciaga have a new trainer in now and it's like a lot smaller. I personally never bought into the oversized big trainer look. It just didn't work for me. My feet looked like they were swimming in the shoes. I couldn't pull it off.
The kind of sneakers that are in right now are things like the retro feeling sneakers. So you see the like New Balance sneakers that look super chic and classic Canvas sneakers when you want to look very laid back, off-duty look, some Converse. You'll also see sleek high tops, like the Nike high tops are really trending right now.
The next one is skinny jeans. Now I think skinny jeans will always be around, but are they the hottest trend? Absolutely not.
Jeans now that are in are everything but skinny jeans. For example, bootcut jeans, there's the barrel leg jeans, there's the baggy jeans, there's the cropped jeans, the straight leg jeans.
I also noticed that brands are doing more of a low rise. I like the high rise, especially after this lockdown, you know, I need a little bit more coverage there around the middle. So yeah, I think skinny jeans are something you can put on hold. I wouldn't go buying them, but keep them in your closet. The flat stomach being a thing, well, I need to work on the whole flat stomach thing too. Given the fact that it's been a lockdown and pandemic, we've all eaten a bit more, indulged a bit more, got bored, stuck at home, made trips to the fridge multiple times. We're counting our steps to and from the fridge every day. If your only goal is a flat stomach, you need to reassess your goals, okay? There is so much more to life than the way you look. And even myself, I have to remind myself every single day of that. I put out YouTube videos, I'm filming, there'll be something I don't like. They'll be like, oh no, my face didn't look good. Oh, the shadow was so unflattering, I want to refilm it. You're gonna refilm it, Emma? What do people actually care about? They care about the content, they care about how much you engage with them, they care about the value of the content. Whether your face looks good, whether you look too big in something, it doesn't really mean that. It's more in your head than anyone else is thinking about. You need to go after what's really important. And in fact, there's a very good saying, perfection will hamper progress. And it's so true. If you are looking for perfection, you're going to bring yourself down the wrong path. Just get out there and do your best, be confident in who you are, and embrace your imperfections because that is what makes you beautiful. I believe there's somebody for everyone, and what you may dislike on yourself, someone else might love. You might hate your freckles, you might hate your fair skin, you might hate your red hair. There'll be someone out there that loves it. So remember that. Oversized. So a lot of you guys said you are sick and tired of oversized hoodies, oversized sweatpants, oversized tracksuits, whatever the look is, you don't like oversized. The oversized trend is still here. People like oversized. The hoodie that I'm buying today is slightly oversized. I think when things look too tight, they look a little bit cheaper. If you want to look a bit more luxe, you size up. Obviously, you don't want to be drowning in it. I do think that if you size up and it looks a little bit bigger, it looks better than it being skin tight and too small for you. Chunky necklaces. Oh guys, I feel like you're really coming at me. As you can see on the catwalks of Bottega Veneta, they've started even designing their dresses with chunky necklaces intertwined in the knit. Especially gold accessories, I think really elevate a look. They add the finishing touch, especially with knitwear and dresses that are maybe all one color or tonal. I can't agree with you on that. Clear heels. Okay, so this is definitely a controversial one. I personally love the Emmamilleruk sandals that are perspex, but I've never bought one, and there's a very good reason. At that price point, I'm not sure how I feel about buying plastic shoes. And my feet might sweat in the shoes. that would like steam up. That would never be a good look. They have colored ones as well. I don't know how long they would last as well, like plastic can easily break. I'd prefer to have leather or a satin finish than a plastic clear finish. But the next one is interesting, is about logos. Now I totally agree. If you're wearing something from Chanel, then Dior, and then Prada, it's like, whoa, overkill. But when you have just one brand and you know, you've pieced like the top and the shorts together and they have some logos, I do think it's cool. I personally love the logos. Like, you don't have to go all logos full look, but you know, the logo, Dior, little handkerchief, scarf, the Bottega chain pouch. Oh my God, guys, you really are coming at me today. Okay, I might overwear the Bottega chain pouch. In fact, I wear it in all my videos, but guys, I've only had it less than 6 months, okay? And I really like it, and it goes with everything. And I love the gold detailing. Maybe I can save up for a new bag. Maybe I can work on my sponsorships, guys, here. Cancel culture. I absolutely agree with this. It needs to go. I understand why it happens. You know, there's people put out certain videos. I think like Logan Paul in 2019, he was ostracized. Sophia Franklin from the Call Her Daddy podcast. Like, there was just so many different people that were ostracized in the social media, and I think it's absolutely wrong. People make mistakes. In the case of Logan Paul, people are human, but I've noticed that people do bounce back generally. Logan Paul realized his mistake, doing something new. Sophia Franklin got her own podcast and she's killing it. Cancel culture is just like an adult form of bullying online. It's trolling. It really has to go. The world needs kindness, it needs love, it needs support and empathy. We need to be there for each other. This experience with the pandemic has all made us realize we're actually much more dependent on each other than ever before. My actions can affect other people's actions. When we go out there and we judge other people, we don't know their story, we don't know what they've been through. Okay, that got serious then. Small sunglasses, yeah, I think they're gone. I think they were very cool 2019, but not anymore. They had a day. I think it's now like medium sized. So I got some new sunglasses recently from Bottega. I got them in black and in white. And I love this cat eye shape. The Chanel sandals, I remember buying them, and because you guys on Instagram were like, no Emma, when I did a poll, I returned them. I don't know how I feel about that, because I did see them all over Instagram and they looked really cool with a pair of denim shorts in the summer. I think maybe the black wasn't the right color because it kind of was a bit too blocky against my skin tone, but maybe like a light blue or something. I do think they look really cool. Influencers wearing only a piece once. I would love to see how they style the same piece. That's a good one. More and more brands are looking at more sustainable options. Even big fashion houses like H&M and other shops are doing like rentals where you can actually rent items rather than buying brand new. Front Row, my friend Shika, she has a website where you can rent dresses from Dolce & Gabbana to Alaya rather than having to buy them and wear them only once. You'll see Net-a-Porter with their Net Sustain, and designers like Nanushka who really advocate more sustainable materials. Pangaya we've seen, and more on my channel you'll see how I mix up things and style things up and rewear pieces, because you have to choose well, buy less, make it last. That's it for today's video, and I really hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful. Obviously you can wear what you want, how you want, and carry off whatever style and own it. But I just thought this video would be some fun. I'd love to hear what you guys think on trends, and of course I'd love to know what trends do you think after watching this video you're going to be trying out. Maybe you're gonna start an OnlyFans account. Maybe you're gonna go get some Botox. I'm joking. Maybe you're just gonna stock up on bucket hats for the summer. Anyway guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Come join the family, hit that subscribe button. You don't wanna miss out on my weekly videos. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.